Well, hi there pluckers, Arthur Sore Fingers again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me for another guitar lesson. This one is a brand new song from Bryan called Driving. It's just come out and I'm bound to get loads of requests for it, so I'm going to do it before everybody jumps in at me. Standard tuning, capo on the 3rd fret. So standard tuning, capo 3rd fret, puts us into the same key as Bryan performs this song in. Now basically the song has got 4 chords in it and it just goes round and round and round. Okay, there is no other chords in it as far as I can tell. You just play the same 4 chords again and again. So the first chord is this one. You get the idea. Sometimes he plays a longer stint on the F chord, okay, so you just have to listen to it, but there's only 4 chords in it, okay. First chord is a bar chord, 3rd fret from the capo, and so single bar, 3rd fret from the capo, and my 3rd finger is playing the 5th fret from the capo on the 4th string, and pinky is playing the 5th fret from the capo on the 3rd string. And that is basically, in this, with the capo on the 3rd fret, we can call that a C sus2. Okay, then it goes to a G bar chord, 3rd fret, so just the bar, just keeping the bar where it is, G major chord. Then we go to an A minor 7th, right, so it's an A minor chord with my open 3rd string. You lift off the 3rd finger off altogether and you just left with an open 3rd string. First on this 1st fret 2nd string, 2nd string on the 4th, 5 down to 1, and finally we have an F bar chord the way he plays it. 1st fret bar chord, F major. And those are it, that's it. It just starts off C sus2 to G, A minor 7, F, just repeat. Sometimes I said plays it longer on the F. Okay, and sometimes he just does single strums on each chord, as he does in most of his other songs as well. So there you have it. Listen to the Bryan recording on YouTube and you'll see where it all fits. But those are the 4 chords he's using. Okay? Thanks very much and I'll see you in the next video.